Over the last few weeks, I have come to a bit of realization that if you have a budget of around $250 to $200 or say 16 to 20,000 Indian rupees, then there is no any other phone on the planet that is better than this here. This is the OnePlus 7 Pro in 2022. This was launched in 2019 from OnePlus as a flagship device, and no doubt this device has aged pretty well. Even in 2022, there are multiple factors that makes this device even more premium than the budget devices that are out in 2022. So as an average consumer, you go for like better battery life, better display, a good refresh rate, a good build quality and a good brand, so that you get like after sales service too. With OnePlus 7 Pro, you get all of these plus some additional bonus features that you may or may not get in this price point. Firstly, let me talk about one of the most highlighting factor of this device is its display. This is a 6.67-inch Fluid AMOLED 90Hz HDR10 Plus Quad HD display. It is one of the best displays out there in the market even in 2022. For a price point of 16 to 20,000 rupees, you will not get anything close to this display. Plus it has got edges on both of its right and left, which makes it more premium. No doubt for media consumption and for looks, this display is just incredible. Even in 2022, you will not find something like this. And what you see on the front, entire thing is display, because the camera is a motorized pop-up camera on OnePlus 7 Pro. Speaking about the build quality, OnePlus 7 Pro feels way more premium than what it is. It is covered with glass both on the front and back. This is the mirror grey color and it shines a lot in different lighting conditions. It attracts a lot of attention. Although the mirror finish on back is fingerprint magnet, the design is just amazing and top notch. Even in 2022, it doesn't feel like it is a cheap device or an old device or like 2 years old or 3 years old, nothing like that. It stands out with even 2022 flagship devices. Speaking about the performance, we have got Snapdragon 855 chip here. This is one of the best processor. Even in 2022, it holds up pretty well in terms of performance. In day-to-day usage, there is no lag whatsoever in the system. Yes, there is slight stutters here and there, but that's pretty negligible. Combined with this 90Hz refresh rate display, it feels ultra smooth. There are no hiccups or like sort of lags in UI too, because of the upgraded version of Android, which is Android 11 it is running, and also the latest Oxygen OS, which makes it run amazingly smooth. Talking about gaming experience, this device still holds up pretty well in gaming category too. It is able to play most of the high-end games without any issues. Especially BGMI and PUBG, this is able to handle it amazing. BGMI is able to run on like high settings up to HDR. On smooth, it is able to run 90 FPS, which is just amazing. No lags whatsoever while playing BGMI on this. Speaking about the cameras, it has got a triple camera setup at the back, where the main lens is a 48 megapixel shooter at f1.6 aperture. It has got laser autofocusing and optical image stabilization. The second lens is an 8 megapixel f2.4 aperture sensor. It is a telephoto lens at 3x optical zoom. The third lens is a 16 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide camera. We don't have optical image stabilization on ultra wide lens. Definitely these cameras still work amazing in 2022. It is able to take photos which are pretty good. It is like comparable with other devices in 2022. Yes, it's not as great as flagship level performance, but definitely it's not as low as like budget devices. Another highlighting factor about this device is its front camera. We have got a 16 megapixel motorized pop-up camera with f2.0 aperture. It doesn't match 2022 standards, but definitely it is way better than some of the budget devices. That's all I can say. It has got an in-display fingerprint sensor like 2022 standards. Yes, it feels way fast. Also, the scanning time is pretty good. It works 90% of the times, but it doesn't work when your fingers are wet, or it doesn't work when there are a lot of smudges on the display. Talking about the battery, we have got a 4000 mAh battery with fast charging support up to 30 watt. We get a wrap charger inside the box which charges this device fairly quick. There are a lot of options to save battery inside the software, like you can turn down your refresh rate from 90Hz to 60Hz in order to save up some charge. Also, you can turn down your display resolution from Quad HD Plus to Full HD. This will also save your battery a little bit. So guys, this was a quick little video talking about OnePlus 7 Pro in 2022. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, links are in the description. This is all about technology 24/7. Signing off for the moment. You guys have a great day. Peace.